Hello, my name is Mary and I'm the owner of Colorensic. So today the video is about how to mix your own colorant, your own color chart with our bases. So I'll explain you in 4 steps. The first step is to go with your customer in your color display. Choose or pick a card, a color, and then you'll be able after to do the following steps. So you'll need to find the color, go on the reverse side, and then follow the next steps. The second step consists of choosing the right base. So what you need to do is to refer to that chart. I'll explain you in the next step. The third step is to refer to this chart, this sheet that you have in your file folder of Colorensic. Everybody got this. So on the reverse side, the Colorensic chalk base chart, you have our bases on the side here, and they refer to whatever paint company you have. And then you can choose from the grid and look what you need. And this will enable you to choose from the color card your customer picked. And then what you need to remind yourself is you need to tell your computer, your colorant computer, that you are doing a matte base from Sico, from Benjamin Moore. And then you'll be able to add our bases. So the fourth and final step consists of telling the computer you have a matte base, adding the base underneath, and then the color, the pigments will drop into the base. Then you'll be able to stir it or mix it with a spatula, or also if you have a shaker, you can send your quart or gallon in your shaker. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at Colorensic by phone, by email, or by chat on our website. Take care. Bye.